How to achieve your dreams and become rich. There are many people who are unhappy with their current situation in life. They want to achieve their dreams but are not sure about what these dreams are. This video will tell you how to achieve your dreams and also give you some insights into what these goals might be. This video will give you the following tips on how to become rich. 1. Decide what your goals are in life. I've noticed that many people have no idea what their goals are. Maybe they are just too ambitious, or perhaps they're just not the right person for the job. It is important to take the time to write down some of your goals and hang them on the wall as a reminder every day. Once you have those goals, it is also important to work hard and stay on track so that one day you can reach your goal. 2. Make a plan for achieving them. Plans help us to reach our goals and ambitions. They keep us on track and guide our actions so we don't get derailed. The goals that we set don't have to be too complex or lofty, they just need to give us something to work towards. 3. Find ways to make money work for you, not the other way around. Why is it that we work so hard to make money, but then all the money that we have is spent? We're constantly struggling just to keep up with the cycle of working and spending, and before we know it, time has flown by. Step 1. Think big and define what you want. One of the most powerful and underused tools we have at our disposal is our imagination. It can be used in so many different ways to change how we think, feel and act in any given situation. If you want something, the first step is always to know what it is that you want. It sounds like a simplistic task, but many people don't take the time to do this. Why do they never take the time? Well, for starters, it can be really hard to think big and come up with all of these things that you want. It also takes discipline and confidence in order to actually write them down. But there's hope. This guide will help you get started by highlighting some of the important steps to consider when looking to achieve your goals. Step 2. Take massive action towards your goals. Yes, the journey to your goals is hard, but if you take massive action you can reach them. It's not easy. It's hard. Like really hard. This means to meet your goals halfway. But it's worth it to learn the things that make you better, to live your life on your own terms, to make a mark, no matter how big or small, on this world. If you want something badly enough, you'll find a way. Step 3. Keep going even when you feel beaten down. You need to keep going and not give up when you feel like you can't take it anymore. Do not give up on your goals. It is important to keep going and not let anything distract you from what you want to accomplish. Failure is inevitable, but the true test of persistence is how we deal with that failure. Start reprogramming your subconscious mind with Switchwords today. Switchwords are a simple and powerful technique for reprogramming your subconscious mind through the power of your words. Switchwords can help you get what you want fast. They use the power of words to change the way your subconscious thinks. It only takes a little bit of time and effort for you to get started. The premise behind Switchwords is that each word has an energy frequency associated with it and that this energy frequency can be changed. Switchwords are used as a replacement to affirmations, mantras, positive thinking, or any other self-help practice because they offer some advantages over these practices. Switchwords can be used as both an affirmation or mantra, depending on what you need at any given moment in time. This video is based on Switchwords Miracle Series books by Monika Pavlickova, who is Switchwords and reality creation expert.